Okay, remember, if you don't want anyone to change anything on your worksheet, you must password protect it. It's the same way in an earlier lesson that I showed you how to protect when you hide a column or a row. You must password protect it, or somebody will just come behind you and unhide it. So let's say that you didn't want anyone to know your gross pay, and so you went ahead and took that column and you right clicked it and you said hide it. So now no one will be able to see that if you password protect it. And there's other reasons, not just that, but let's say that you didn't want them to change any of this information in here. All you wanted them to be allowed to change would be the hours. So you highlight all the hours, you right click, and you go to Format Cells and go to Protection. You see, those are unlocked. That means they can change those. But if you come back here and you choose anything in there and you right click, go to Format Cells, and you say, see, they are locked. The only ones that they have allowed you to change are these. You can't change the labels, anything on here, if you password protect it. Not only will you be able to keep your column hidden, they won't be able to change a thing on here other than the hours. So you can password protect it a couple of different ways. You can go to Review and say Protect Sheet, or you can go to File and Protect Workbook. You see? You can protect the work or just protect the current sheet. Now, let's just do it the way that most people will remember to do it, is you click the button under the Review tab. You click it and you say Protect the sheet. You put a password in there. And remember, you're going to put the password twice. And so now, if you tried to change anything on there, except this whole column, that's the only thing on the whole worksheet you can change. So we can go back here and see, you couldn't even change this. So let's go ahead, and now you can see what it means to password protect. Now remember, without the password, they can not change anything on here. So don't give out your password, because if any changes happen and you know you didn't do it, somebody got your password. So that's how you protect your sheet and your data, and you keep your data hidden, that you don't want anyone. See, if they came over here and they tried to unhide, see, it's grayed out. That means it's unavailable. That's it.